This is Chesil's take on the Porsche 356 Speedster. An absolutely delightful replica in every sense. With these you get two types really fundamentally, those that are supplied in kit form and those that are factory built. Obviously a factory built model is preferable. This is a factory built one. We've got the badge detailing that inside the front compartment. We'll come on to that during the course of this tour. But to suffice it to say, it's a very stunning and eye-catching vehicle in arguably signature colours of like a reflex or speed silver with a red or oxblood leather interior with proper Porsche bucket seats. So we'll go around and look at some of the detail, but just to give a general tour first, we'll just walk around the vehicle and then we'll come back and look at some of the finer points. It's in absolutely lovely condition throughout, and it's probably one of the more detailed examples you'll find. You'll obviously get versions of these without windows, without rear bench seat, without the original style front headlamps. Numerous other factors and features which are lacking on others are present with this one. So if you do your homework and look at all the refinements that go with these, you'll find that this one is pretty well equipped. So let's take a look at some of those details now. First off, we've got the original style headlamps, which have got the front clear lens and the dip bulb visible at the front with the mottled lens behind. That's the proper Porsche format. Most others have just the patterned lens at the front, so that is as it should be. Nice crest profile on the bonnet, 1972 plate, and nice gold badging there. Just been MOT'd, straight past, no advisories. On the bonnet I did see a stone chip, which is there. May not be overly clear on the video, but that's about all I could find on the bonnet. We've got these dish alloys on this front offside one. There's a couple of dints on the chrome dish, which you can hopefully see there. We've got the side Speedster decals. We've got this rather nice Stuttgart badging, coachwork badging there on the front offside wing. A dish alloy on the back, again slight dints in the main chrome part of the dish. Nice Porsche crest centre. So working around, nice authentic rear bumper. This one's got twin tailpipes. It has a brand new Volkswagen air-cooled single carb engine with automatic choke, so you get no dramas with that engine. It's brand new, literally fitted this year, hardly any miles covered on it. Rear near side alloy, again all of the alloys have got some degree of undulations on the main dishes, but overall they're not too bad. Matching brand Michelin tyres all round, and certainly well within MOT limits. So bodywork is really good. No visibly obvious scratches or dents that I can see anywhere. Just one minor stone chip to the front. You've got the canvas roof there, studs for the tarp cover, which we've got in with all the paperwork. Let's just take a look inside. So we've got red throughout carpets, seats, overmats. These overmats, there's some wear to the rubber bit of the overmat, but as you can see they are overmats on top of overmats, so it's kind of like a double layer that you've got there, which obviously is a nice thing to see. Pedals all good. Handbrake, gearbox, 4-speed. There's a fire extinguisher in the back. It's a rear bench seat. So we'll just go and have a look from the other side. There's the rather nice authentic steering wheel, all the dials. Mileage reads 14,242. That's obviously the sum total for the vehicle, but not forgetting, of course, we have a brand new engine, which has hardly covered any miles at all. And then looking at it from passenger side, first and foremost, the interior is unworn, and in great condition. The colour scheme suits the vehicle perfectly. We've got the analogue clock there. Again, not a given on all of these. There is a fairly well hidden stereo there with the hazard buttons and a 12-volt socket or lighter. Those buttons there are essentially your headlamps and your windscreen wipers, and the other side is your windscreen wiper washers, small rear view mirror, and it all looks great. We'll just pop the front and take a look under the compartment here. Now, first of all, you can see the build plate there for Chesil Motor Company, giving all the details. It's got the carpeted inlay, effectively a Porsche tool bag. It's a nice authentic sort of leather carry case. There's a spare fan belt there, and trickle charger, little touch up hidden away there. Just nicely equipped. Spare wheel is all complete and intact, and everything looks fairly tidy there, so I'm very happy with that. We're now going to take a look at the engine, which is the little pull toggle here. Let's pull that, and we'll just go round and open that up. You can obviously see brand new engine, single carb air cooled Volkswagen, but when you shut the vehicle, you've got these rather nice decorative badges on the grille, and you can just see a sort of a Porsche top block through the grille, which again is a nice touch. So I think I've covered all the main features here, but just to sum up, this is a factory built Chesil Speedster in the signature colours of silver with red interior, in really nice condition. It's as good as a Replica as I've seen, and it has a lot of very distinctive and convincing features that make it really stand out on the road. Certainly a very eye-catching car, and if you look, I mean, there's obviously limited numbers of these in the market at any given time, but if you compare this in detail to others, it's only then that you really notice the numerous subtle differences that when you add them all together, it really does add up to a fabulous replica, certainly in relation to others. So that's my tour. Hopefully that's been of some assistance. Also doing a whole spread of photographs, which you'll also be able to see. I welcome any inquiries. The vehicle is located here at my home in Broadstone in Dorset. The postcode for your satellite navigation is BH18. Thanks for watching.